Hi guys, today we are going to see how remotely control the mobile phone with the Teamviewer app. Okay, how to install Teamviewer, how to connect devices remotely, and what are the things we can do with the Teamviewer. Okay, let's see. First click on Play Store and search Teamviewer. After that, install the application. Then it will be automatically downloaded and installed. Then click open. Then we can slide right and left to see what are the features and click on get started. Then this is the Teamviewer interface. So we should install quick support software to remote access the mobile. Okay, click on install and automatically download and reinstall like before. Then we can see the applications. So open Teamviewer. We can see what are the features given by the Teamviewer. We can remotely control by using mobile, and we can transfer files also. This is the interface of Teamviewer quick support. Wait for your ID. When you got the ID, you can send your ID with WhatsApp, with Imo, with Viber, with email, with message, anything. Anyhow, you should have to send it. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, we can take one mobile as remotely controlling mobile, the main mobile, and other one is the controlled mobile. So open the Teamviewer app on both devices. Then click on quick support and wait for generate the remote ID. After generate the ID, that one need to send to the main mobile, that one controlling mobile via WhatsApp or anything. Okay, then after receive the ID to the controlling mobile, we should have to enter it on partner ID space. Then click on remote control. Then it will be connected. Now we can see a pop-up box. Okay, now that one connect. Okay, now two mobiles were connected. Now we can see the same display on both devices. Actually, now we can do anything on controlled mobile by controlling the main mobile. You can see that one. You can scroll, but there is a little time and graphic gap between two displays. You can see that one from here. Actually, we can calculate. We can use the calculator on remote control device by controlling device. As well as we can send email also from controlling mobile. That means main mobile can control the other device totally. Here we can see how to send a email. As well as we can change settings. We can do we can send files, we can message, we can do anything from this method. But only we can't do that. The password protector tab can't open by the method by using this method. When we try to open a password protected file, that one not displayed on the screen. So we have to enter the password by remote control mobile. When we need to close, click here and click close. Then you can see the application was totally closed and the connection also disconnected. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Be with us for more, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you again for watching.